Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Faisal. So in this lecture we are going to talking about communication over data connection. Here is communication over data connection. So let's start our YouTube channel. So if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Faisal. So let's start communication over data communication. The purpose of the data connection is different from the controlled connection. We want to transfer file through the data connection. File transfer occur over the data connection under the control of the command sent over the control connection. However, we should remember that file transfer in FTP means one of the three things. A file is to be copied from the server to the client. This is called retrieving. After it is done under the surprising of the surprising of the retr command. A file is to be copied from the client to server. This is called storing. AFT over E. It is done under the supervision of the store command. A list of directory or file name is to be sent from the server to the client. This is done under the supervising of the list command. Note that FTP treat a list of directory or file name as a file. It is sent over the data communication. The client must define the type of file to transfer, the structure of the data, and the transmission mode before sending the file through the data communication. We prepare for transmission through the control connection. The heterogeneous problem is resolved by defining three attributes of the communication: file type, data structure, and transmission mode. Here is using the data connection. You can see the file FTP can transfer one of the following file across the data communication connection: and ASCII file, EDCDIC file, or image file. The ASCII file is the default format of transferring text file. Each character is encoding using 7-byte ASCII. The sender transmission the file from it on representation into ASCII character, and the receiver information on the ASCII character to its own representation. If one or both end of the connection use EBCDIC encoding, the file format by IBM. The file can be transferred using EDCDIC encoding. The image file is the default format for transferring binary file. The file is sent as continuous streams of its byte without any interpretation of or encoding. This is mostly used to transfer binary files such as compiled program. So this lecture is done. This lecture was about communication over data connection. So that's all. So if you are new on our YouTube channel, I want to request you again, please subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Faisal, and watch this video again and again to learn about communication over data connection. So read it video or read it carefully and see watch it carefully and take its figure 26.23 figure, take its screenshot and goodbye, that's